In the distant land of Asgard, the realm of the gods, a prophecy was foretold. The Midgard serpent, Jormungandr, was to rise from the depths of the ocean and bring about Ragnarok, the end of the world. The god of mischief, Loki, had orchestrated this prophecy, seeking to destroy the gods and rule the universe. The gods, forewarned of the impending doom, prepared for a battle of epic proportions. Heimdall, the all-seeing watchman, rallied the gods, calling upon the bravest of warriors. Thor, the god of thunder, was chosen to lead the charge against the Midgard serpent. On the day of the battle, the sky darkened, and the winds howled, signaling the arrival of the Midgard serpent. Thor, wielding his mighty hammer Mjolnir, charged into the fray. The sea boiled as the serpent and Thor clashed, their battle shaking the very foundations of Asgard. The battle was fierce, with neither side gaining the upper hand. Thor's mighty blows were matched by the serpent's coils, which tightened around him, threatening to crush him. The gods watched, their hearts pounding, as the fate of their realm hung in the balance. In a moment of desperation, Thor summoned all his strength and struck a final blow, sending the Midgard serpent back into the ocean. The sea calmed and the sky cleared, but victory came at a heavy cost. Thor lay wounded, his strength depleted. The gods tended to Thor's wounds, and he was taken to Valhalla to heal. The battle against Ragnarok was postponed, but the prophecy still held true. The gods knew that their ultimate fate was sealed, and they prepared for the final battle that would determine the fate of the universe. The story of the Battle of the Norna-heill served as a reminder of the power of prophecy and the unyielding determination of the gods. Though they knew their fate, they continued to fight, upholding their honor and protecting their realm until the very end. The saga of the Battle of the Norna-heill was etched in the annals of Norse mythology, a tale of heroism, sacrifice, and the indomitable spirit of the gods.